Hello, my dear friends. So, in previous slide or previous classes, we have already discussed that Friedel-Crafts reaction as well as that Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction also already we have discussed. Now we will see that next reaction, that is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. The Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction involves the addition of acyl group, that is CH3 CO group, or maybe RCO group, to an aromatic ring. Typically, this is done by employing an acid chloride, that is R, then CO, then Cl, and a Lewis acid catalyst such as AlCl3. That means benzene ring react with acetyl compound in presence of one catalyst, that is AlCl3. In a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, the aromatic ring is transformed into a ketonic compound. The reaction between benzene and acyl chloride under this condition is illustrated below. Now see, in that reaction, that is benzene ring when they react with alkyl, or sorry, that is RCOCl, that is acetyl compound in presence of Lewis acid. So one acetyl group will attached or replaced, one hydrogen will be replaced by the acetyl group. So this reaction is known as your Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. An acid anhydride can be used as an alternative to the acyl halide. Instead of acyl halide, that is RCOCl, you can use that acetic anhydride CH3CO CH3, that is acetic anhydride. The halogen belongs to the acyl halide, forms a complex with the Lewis acid, generating a highly electrophilic acylium ion, which has a general formula RCO plus and is stabilized by the resonance. So now you see that mechanism. In that first step, acyl halide first react with AlCl3, so that Cl will donates one pair of electron to that Al to form one bond. So you will get your intermediate compound where that Cl become the minus charge. Then in that second step, elimination of RCO group from that intermediate compound. So here you will get your acylium ion Rc plus double bond O, or this ion will be stabilized by this resonance structure. By this way you will get that this type of resonance structure, acylium ion. This is more stable ion due to the by this formation of resonance structure. So then that is second step, that acylium ion RCO ion goes to the execute the electrophilic attack on the aromatic ring. The aromaticity of this ring is temporarily lost as a complex is formed. So as you know, this benzene, this is they are having one position and this is the two position. Any one carbon can be attached to this carbon cation. So because the next carbon become your positive charge. So like this way you will get different types of carbocation, and this carbocation is your more stable carbocation by formation of another two types of resonance structure. So that's why this reaction intermediate or this carbocation will be more stable carbocation. In the third step, this AlCl4 minus ion which is present inside the reaction mixture, so it will release one Cl minus. At the same time, this carbocation also release one proton, and that proton will accepted by this Cl, and that's why you will get your HCl as the byproduct and AlCl3 as your catalyst. Whatever product was used during that reaction mixture, as the same compound you will get after that reaction. Then once this proton will eliminated from that compound, so then this bonding electron will acquire by this carbocation, that is C plus and this C, and they will form one pi bond. Ultimately you will get your final compound. In that fourth step, whatever AlCl4 minus is present inside that compound, if they are having that formation of if you added that excess water, or maybe sometime that some byproduct will produce, that byproduct will presence in that compound as a salt of acyl group with that acetyl, that is AlCl3 group. They will bind themselves, you will get your salt of this compound. When you have, that means if you want to get your final product, that means your pure compound, that time you have to use more or excess number of water. Once you will added that excess number of water, that the salt part, that means whatever portion salt is there, it will completely, aluminum salt will completely goes to that water, and it will release your final compound. That means you will get your pure compound. By this, using that excess water also you can get your final product, or sometime you can use that alcohol also, lower alcohol, for that recrystallization purpose. Then also you will get your final compound, that will be the pure compound. Thank you.